how far down do you think it's gonna go when it goes down?
How far down?
Yeah.
It generally, let me get rid of some of this. Sorry. So the idea here is what you want to do is, on the right side of the hill, this is right side of the hill, you've got this downward, right?
Mhm.
And you're going to have it at a high level, high level, you're going to have an A, B, C. This is a zigzag, A, B, C. So right around here is A. So it comes down, and when it starts to do this sort of upward thing, you know that A is done. And when A is done, this is where you can take your fib right here and click on the bottom of A to the top of 5. And this gives you a really good idea of where this thing is likely to end. And it's right here at this point. And what it is, generally C ends around 161% of wave A. So that's the best way to determine when the thing is done. Sometimes it can be at 127.2, so you just need to then look at the RSI and see where it is. If it's really extreme, like it is right here, then, or I'm sorry, right down here. Yeah, if it's at the bottom like this, it's very likely we're done. Okay, so this is another way to use it.
Mary, you can also, like the bottom of C, if you were to do a price line all the way across, I believe it comes out right at the top of wave 1, all the way back across.
It does, and that's just coincidental in this case. It doesn't always work that way, but you're right. I mean, this is another way in this particular case, and that's a good thing to use too, is that you can see, it's like, okay, well, where was my last point of resistance or support at that level, right? Hey, look at that. It was right here. That was resistance. Well, that resistance could be this support. And that, let's see, here we go. Right there, it is. It's kind of neat how that worked out too.
Yep.
So there's a couple different, there's a couple different ways. This is why you want to go back and do your work on the left side of the hill to give you an idea of what to expect here, where it's likely to have completed its downward trend and is getting ready to reverse back up. But these are good, guys, right here. These two things, all three actually, are telling you that this thing is getting a little overextended. Mm-hmm. So it's likely to come back down. And the other thing is, which I like, as you can start adding stuff back, is the channel. See, now this channel is really moved up, right? You're not going to see a channel that's vertical like that. I've never seen one like that. So this is really getting at a high tilt. So this also gives you an idea, okay, it can come down. It might just come down to 38, the bottom of the channel, and then continue back up. So then you just sort of, you begin to add more and more back to your chart. You start out with nothing, then you add your RSI, and then you start looking at the RSI where it is to this 70 line. and highlight those, and then continue and just build from there. And I think the best way to find stocks using this again is this head and shoulder screener on Webull. Don't go out there and try to force a head and shoulders pattern, because some of them don't have them. Okay, not all of them are like this. So some of them have triple tops and all kinds of weird stuff. So this is the best pattern to use for Elliott Wave.
Mayor, do we have any documentation put together on using Webull and creating that screener? So we just have some quick notes or not?
I can do that. I don't.
Okay. I didn't know if you had something already. If not, maybe we can get together, or you can just create it. I don't know, but just so we can get something like that, we can put it out on the website or email it out to the group.
Sure.
Because I think there's some people like Carl, probably because he's kind of new, probably doesn't know what Webull is. So I will send him.
Yes, actually what I could do is I could provide the link. Yeah, provide some information. I mean, it is loaded with really cool stuff. Like I said, I've used it also to look at what the institutions are doing.
Yeah, we definitely used it in the past for that. That's helped me find out what prices I want to buy in at.
That's right.
In the morning.
Exactly.
So,
I hate to digress, but can you walk us through that one more time? It took me forever to get logged in.
Oh, yeah, no problem. So,
you just
So-
want to see how to create a screener? Is that what you're after, Jeff?
I want to see how you did that head and shoulders screener, yeah,
okay.
on Webull.
Okay, so yeah, no problem. All right, so you got your home page, right?
Yep.
Where you see the watch list down at the bottom and all that. So you go to market
Okay,
and you click on markets. And then at the top right, there's that funnel thing,
mm-hmm,
and click on that. And
Yep.
then at the bottom, it says create new screener.
yep,
You click on that. And then on this screen, you see market, and I chose region United States. So you click that,
okay,
and then you click volume, and I chose greater than 1 million.
okay,
And then you scroll down to classic pattern, and in the center of that is the head and shoulders, bottom top.
classic pattern,
Yeah, just keep scrolling. There's so much stuff. It's
oh, I see, classic pattern, head
Yeah.
and shoulders, okay,
okay, and click that. And then I clicked, or I selected medium term
okay,
and bullish signal.
bullish signal, okay,
Yeah, and then you save it, give it a name.
done, give it save. Okay,
And then you will have that. Every time you just go to, you repeat those steps, you go to market, then you go to the funnel, and then you'll have your screener available, and you just click on that screener and your stocks will pop up.
should have like 265 symbols,
Yeah, for me now I have, oh yes, yep, 265.
okay, good, cool, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So. Okay.
Fantastic. Well, we're almost at
Yeah. 8 o'clock.
hour here. So are there any other final questions that anybody has?
No, thank you so much.
All right. Well, we can wrap it up. And
Well, I just wanted to show real quick too. This is the volume down here. See how the volume is well above the 50-day moving average. We've talked about that before, but that's institutional traders. They're the ones that really influence it and push it up like that. So we've got some institutional investors interested in this as well.
that's always good.
So
Yeah.
what price point are you interested in buying that at then, Mayor?
Oh, I would wait until it retraces, because, and so I would look at around, I see what it was doing around 20 or somewhere down here in this, yeah, the $20 range,
Okay,
and see whatever, you know, what the indicators are telling me. But I think this would probably be a little too low, I'm guessing, but this is the range that it's likely to retrace.
okay,
But if you look at the bottom of this channel line, it's almost like right there meshing with the 38.2% FIP level. So this is, to me, that's a high probability of it coming down here. And remember too, these things have this ABC kind of thing. So you could come down here and then it could do this. Whoop. And that kind of thing. So keep in mind that you're going to have some kind of correction. You know, it's not just going to be one down and then we're done. And in the last week's newsletter, I was talking about bull traps, and this is what this is right here. It would be a bull trap. You're like, oh, it's going, oh, now it's coming up. Okay, I'm good. Everything's good. No, it's not, because you have a pattern that must be completed with each of these corrections. It's usually it's a ABC kind of correction. So keep that in mind. So just don't pop in here and go, oh, here it is, I'm going to buy. Yep, it's on its way up and it'll come right back down. Okay, so just, you guys got to keep that in mind. But then it will, I mean, you could do that, watch it go up and down a little bit, probably won't fall, you know, much further than this, and then it will likely zip back up.
okay.
So I think all of you guys have a homework assignment here where before our next meeting, you guys should maybe use Webull, find a stock that you think might present this head and shoulder pattern and see if you can actually find the waves and the corrections and draw them out, and then take a screenshot of it and put it out on the Discord page so we can all see it.
Oh boy.
Okay. Pressure's on.
Right. Well, we'll see who can complete this assignment.
All right, but no judgments.
No judgment.
Oh, listen, it takes a long time to really fully understand. I mean, I'm still learning. I still, you know, it takes a lot of time to figure it out. So,
Right. But the best way to learn is to actually give it a try.
Yeah.
So
it truly is. And this is, and then once you get this down, like with this pattern, the head and shoulders, then you can apply Elliott Wave to other patterns on a chart. You can, you know, you start to get a feel for, okay, this is what I should be expecting. And I actually discovered the RSI is a significant helper with this, and that's been fairly recently. So, I mean, I didn't, you know, this has just been tremendous, giving me clues as to where the top of a wave is, or even the bottom. This is just the best. And then these other guys are really great at supporting the move. So anyway.
Fantastic. Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you, Mayor.
Yes, thank you so much.
You guys are welcome.
Thank you
Always
so much,
happy to
Albert.
help. So.
Dumb
right.
question, but can you get on Webull on your actual computer screen? Is it
I was
only
just
work
gonna
on
ask the
phone?
same thing, Jeff.
Yes, you can. I
Okay.
actually got on it and started looking at their help. Started looking at different information out there. So yeah, you just do webull.com or something like that.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Yeah. And oh my gosh, yeah, so I strongly recommend everyone invest the $2 or whatever it is. I don't even remember. I think I paid
It's
like
$1.99 a month. I just had to sign up for it.
that is just insane. Seriously, for all that this offers. Wow.
Yeah, it's money well spent. That's for
It
sure.
is money well spent. You will become very dependent on it once you get comfortable with it. It's huge. Anyway, okay, well,
All right. Are we
that's all.
okay? Well,
Wrap. Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
so
Mayor.
wrap
much.
it up.
Awesome.
I will send out a message, just a reminder that we're changing the meeting time and we're gonna move to those first Monday of the month. So the next meeting will be actually Labor Day, if that works for everyone else. So
Yeah, I
Perfect.
look forward to seeing
Right.
what you guys come up with too.
yes.
Yeah.
Who's gonna be the first
And-
one to post something on the Discord?
Yeah, please, yeah, exactly. Any stocks you're interested in, because that's a bit of time between now and then. And just having that kind of interaction would be great too. So, okay, well, you guys all have a great night and month.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mayor.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Good night.
Bye.